Welcome, traveler of the cosmos. Take a deep, slow breath in and gently release it. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this present moment. Here, beneath the vast, velvety expanse of the night sky, we leave the noise of the world behind. Before us, the silent, ancient mountains stand as steadfast guardians, their dark silhouettes a testament to time itself. Above, a celestial tapestry unfolds, woven with threads of violet, deep blue, and shimmering gold. Look up. See how the stars don't just sit there. They breathe. They pulse with a gentle, rhythmic light. Notice the slow, graceful dance of luminous cosmic clouds, drifting like ethereal veils across the face of distant galaxies. Each point of light, from the faintest twinkle to the brilliant flare of a nebula, is a sun, a world, a story untold, millions of light years away. Feel the sheer scale of it all, the magnificent emptiness, and the incredible fullness, all at once. As you gaze into this cosmic ocean, let your own worries and thoughts begin to drift, just like those stardust particles floating gently on the unseen currents of space. There is nothing for you to do right now, nothing to solve, nothing to be, other than a quiet observer of this profound beauty. The universe has been performing this silent, majestic symphony for eons, and tonight, you have a front row seat. Feel the cool, clean air on your skin. Imagine a soft, gentle breeze whispering secrets of the cosmos as it glides over the mountain peaks. This is the breath of the universe, a steady, calming rhythm that connects you to everything you see. This air has traveled across oceans and continents, and the light from these stars has traveled for thousands, even millions of years, just to meet your eyes in this very moment. You are a part of this grand, interconnected cosmic web. Notice the subtle glow that kisses the high ridges of the mountains. It's not moonlight, but starlight, the combined radiance of billions upon billions of distant suns, lending a soft, ethereal luminescence to the dark earth. This light reminds us that even in the deepest darkness, there is always a source of illumination, a gentle guide. Let this soft glow fill you, soothing any corners of your mind that feel shadowed or heavy. Let your attention soften. You don't need to focus on any single star. Instead, allow your gaze to become wide, taking in the entire panorama. See the river of the Milky Way, a shimmering band of concentrated light, stretching from one horizon to the other. It's our home galaxy, a swirling city of stars, and we are nestled safely in one of its quiet, spiral arms. There is a sense of belonging here, a feeling of being part of something so much larger than our individual lives. This cosmic display is not chaotic. It is a perfect, harmonious order. The planets orbit their suns, the suns orbit the galactic center, and galaxies move through space in a slow, elegant ballet. Everything is in its right place, moving at its own perfect pace. Let this sense of universal order bring a feeling of peace and trust to your own heart. Trust in the timing of your own life, just as you trust the rising of the sun and the turning of the stars. As you continue to watch, perhaps you can feel a gentle, cosmic energy. It's a quiet hum, a vibration of pure potential that underlies all of existence. This is the same energy that births stars, that forms galaxies, and that animates every cell in your body. Breathe it in. Feel it replenishing your spirit, washing away fatigue and stress, and filling you with a sense of calm, vitality, and wonder. You are made of this stardust. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, it was all forged in the heart of a star long ago. The mountains before you are a symbol of strength, stability, and endurance. They have withstood storms, winds, and the slow march of ages. They invite you to connect with your own inner strength, that deep, unshakable core within you that is just as resilient. Whatever challenges you may be facing, know that you have the same enduring power within you. Rest against that strength now. Let the mountain hold you. The universe doesn't hurry. A nebula takes millennia to form a star. A galaxy takes billions of years to evolve. In T-space, you are invited to adopt that same unhurried pace. Let go of the need to rush. Give yourself permission to simply be. There is immense power in stillness, in quiet observation. It is in these moments that we can hear the whispers of our own intuition and reconnect with our deepest truths. As your mind becomes quieter, your senses may become sharper. Notice the subtle variations in color, that deep indigo blue giving way to a royal violet, the touches of golden haze like celestial dust. Each color carries its own frequency, its own feeling. Blue brings tranquility, violet connects to wisdom and intuition, and gold offers a sense of warmth and divine light. Allow your being to be bathed in these healing colors. Think of all the generations of humans who have looked up at this same night sky. Our ancestors used these stars to navigate, to tell stories, to mark the seasons, and to ponder the great mysteries of life. When you look up, you are connecting to that ancient, timeless human experience of awe and wonder. You are part of a long chain of stargazers, dreamers, and seekers. In the vastness of space, our earthly concerns can seem to shrink. The problems that felt so large and overwhelming just a little while ago are put into perspective. It's not that they disappear, but their weight can lessen. This expansive view allows us to see our lives from a higher vantage point, recognizing that we are travelers on a much longer journey. This perspective brings freedom. Allow the gentle, slow movement on the screen to guide your breathing. As the view pans ever so slightly, inhale. As it holds, exhale. Match your breath to the slow, cosmic rhythm. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Inhale wonder, exhale worry. With each breath, you are sinking yourself more deeply with the peaceful energy of this scene. You are creating a sanctuary of calm within your own body and mind. There is a profound silence here, but it is not an empty silence. It is a living silence, full of presence. It is the space between the notes that makes the music. It is the space between the stars that allows them to shine. Embrace this silence. Let it hold you. In Tiskiat, you can begin to hear the gentle rhythm of your own heart, a steady beat that affirms your own existence. You are here. You are alive. And that is a miracle. The slow drifting particles of stardust remind us of the impermanent, ever-flowing nature of life. Everything is in motion. Everything is changing. Yet within that flow, there is a constant, steady presence. We can learn to flow with the changes in our own lives with the same grace, trusting that we are being guided and supported by a force far greater than ourselves. Feel any remaining tension in your body simply dissolve and float away, like one of those tiny particles of light. Release your shoulders from your ears. Unclench your jaw. Soften the space between your eyebrows. Let your entire body become heavy, relaxed, and at ease. Give yourself this gift of complete and total rest. You are safe. You are held. All is well. This cosmic landscape is a mirror for your own inner universe. Within you, there is the same vastness, the same potential for light, the same mystery and beauty. The stars you see in the sky are also reflected within your own consciousness. Take a moment to journey inward and appreciate the infinite, beautiful universe that you carry inside you. As we continue to watch this endless celestial loop, remember that you can return to this feeling of peace and vastness anytime you need to. Simply close your eyes and recall this image. Remember the silent mountains and the breathing stars. This place of inner calm is always accessible to you. It is your own portable sanctuary. Thank you for sharing this quiet moment of reflection with me. May the peace of the stars fill your heart and light your way. As you continue to watch, or as you prepare to drift off into a peaceful sleep, carry this feeling of profound calm and cosmic connection with you. If you've enjoyed this journey, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more moments of peace and tranquility. Your support helps us create more content like this for everyone to enjoy. For now, just continue to breathe and be here under the gentle gaze of the eternal stars. Rest well.